I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I have brought the study of electrode potential. So first of all, you have to see what I have written about the electrode potential. So you see the tendency of an electrode to lose or gain electron when it is in contact with its own ion in solution is known as electrode potential. So let me give you the example. Suppose we are having any electrode and we are dipping in its salt solution. Like suppose copper you are dipping in copper sulfate, zinc you are dipping in zinc sulfate in its ion solution. Then the tendency of that electrode to lose or gain electron. Okay. Here I am repeating that statement. The tendency of electrode to lose or gain electron when it is to be dipped in its own ion solution. So this tendency is known as electrode potential. So here I have written, if the electrode has tendency to lose electron, if it is losing electron, it means oxidation electrode and it shows the oxidation potential. And already I have told that if the electrons will be released, then the oxidation takes place. Let us see as like suppose zinc, if it is releasing 2 electron, that will acquire 2 positive charge, and here oxidation number is 0 and that is going to be +1. So here the oxidation is taking place. So this is to be known as oxidation potential. Now the second it is to be of, if the electrode has tendency to gain electron, it means reduction takes place, means this is of reduction electrode or it shows the reduction potential. Okay, so against the oxidation, if the electrode is gaining electron, so this is of reduction potential. So let us talk about the standard electrode potential. So here it is the concentration of ions with which electron is in contact, that is unity, means molarity, you can say that is of the concentration. This is of 1 molarity. Temperature must be taken as 298 Kelvin and at a room temperature this must be of 25 degree Celsius. And gas is there, then the pressure is 1 atm. That the pressure what is to be taken, this is of 1 atm. Under these conditions, the potential of electrode, whatever the electrode potential will create, if we are creating that conditions I am reminding once again, temperature 298 Kelvin, pressure 1 atm and the molarity means concentration of the solution, that is to be of 1 molarity. Then this condition represents the standard electrode potential. Okay. Now let us talk about the NHE. This is of normal hydrogen electrode or the standard hydrogen electrode. So here few points I have written for you that you have to understand. The first point, it has the zero potential. Suppose we talk about the what is the standard electrode potential for hydrogen. So that is to be of, especially it is to be written as 0.00 volt. Okay. Now the second thing, it consists of platinum foil coated with platinum black, dipping partially into an aqueous solution in which the hydrogen ion concentration is 1 molarity and H2 gas is bubbled through the solution at 1 bar. So here I am just explaining with the help of this figure. Suppose we are having a 1 container and that container is having a solution of HCl. Its molarity, it is to be of 1 m. Here I am writing that solution, it is having HCl and its concentration, it is to be of 1 molarity. And after that we have to put a wire, that is platinum wire, and that is to be of coated with a platinum foil. Here I have written platinum foil coated with a platinum black. From here we have to pass the hydrogen gas and the pressure which is to be created, this is of 1 atm and this is of the platinum wire, and in this condition the temperature must be of 298 Kelvin. So this is the figure for the normal hydrogen electrode. So here I am just going to tell you for what is the significance of normal hydrogen electrode. So here is the understandable point. We are using hydrogen as an electrode here. So the main thing which you have to understand, actually this electrode acts as a oxidation or the reduction potential. Okay, means it has the capability to act as both oxidation or reduction potential. Like suppose, like we have taken hydrogen. So hydrogen, when it starts to release two electron, then it will acquire positive charge on it. In this condition, it will act as oxidation, and if it will accept two electron, so that will convert into 0. So here you can see the oxidation state of hydrogen is 0 and it is going to be +1. So this is the condition for oxidation. Here the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1 and that is going to be 0. This is the condition of reduction. So I hope you all have got it. What is the significance of normal hydrogen electrode? That's all for today's session.